I bet you didn't think I would rap, but I've had some experience with that. They said I was really bad at that, but I kept working on that. I didn't let their lack of respect got to me, even though I knew I'm not a god MC. So they slept, but I met my potential, and now I won't leave, left. You can set your alarm clock to that. So I set, and feed, fed all the comments that I read. And you can send all your condolences, or spend all your time on this, but I don't felt, nor do I held any grudges. That's just your loss, judges. You getting this? Listen, I don't mean to be mean or send the wrong message. I just like to bring broad all that energy when I catch it. I just can't put it on hold, if you'd know me, when I feel like I can hit this half court. Kobe. So whether you bought this or thought that this was me trying to teach taught shit, you're wrong. I don't want you to get hurt. I just want you to learn that these irregular verbs that you must have heard like a million times before. I'm just trying to fight for you so you get got what I've already caught. They call these verbs irregular, but on the regular, they are quite regular. Separate the weak from the strong verbs, secular. And as I risen to this occasion, I was given. Please forgive me what I have written. Just written the strain to the end for clarity. And yes, I've probably bitten from MC fluency, but I can no longer hidden what has come to me. Were being made for this. You see, seen. And being a teacher is a blessing. Trying to build on predecessors every lesson. During hour-long sessions with my students when they get it. Sometimes I just listen when they spoken, and I get woken. There's no power divide when you chosen to work with kids so strong even when they're broken. So let's conclude and rewind before I lost my damn mind. So what I done was I went gone to the core of the irregular verbs like you've never experienced before. I sang, all these rhythms of verbs, so you begun to understand what then does occur. Some sound the same, some just change a vowel. That's lame. So organize these verbs, write them down and use them in sentences like you've just heard. And you might begun to understood that these verbs stood together on how they sound when they leave your mouth. I hope you've learned something. I'm out.